Welcome back, Mr. Glenn and friends. Thank you for choosing Vietnam Motorbike Tours for your 6-day, spine-chilling adventure across northern Vietnam. From bustling Hanoi to the serene lakeside of U Linh, the highlands of Hagiang, the epic Ma Pi Leng Pass, and the tranquil Ma Pi Lake. This was more than just a tour. It was a journey through breathtaking landscapes, rich cultures, and unforgettable memories. Let's take a moment to relive the ride of a lifetime.
Very good. One, two, three. I'll take water. Happy birthday,
Michael! We kicked off our journey from Hanoi, heading into the countryside where rice paddies stretched endlessly under the open sky. Our destination, Vu Linh Village, nestled beside the shimmering Thác Bà Lake. This peaceful lakeside area is home to the friendly Dao ethnic group, who welcomed us with warm smiles and local charm. That evening, we shared a cozy, heartwarming dinner with Mr. Boy's family, surrounded by laughter, home-cooked dishes, and genuine hospitality. A perfect first day to ease into the rhythm of the ride, filled with both nature and connection.
Again. Okay.
Day 2 took us north to Hagiang, a region famous for its jaw-dropping mountain scenery and winding roads that test both skill and spirit. We rode through misty hills, terraced fields, and quiet villages where time seems to slow down. Hagiang isn't just a destination, it's a rite of passage for riders, and you handled it like champions. On day 3, we ascended further in the Dong Van Karst Plateau Geopark, a UNESCO heritage site. The dramatic limestone formations and centuries-old Hmong villages transported us into another world. You explored ancient streets, rode along dizzying ridges, and soaked in the frontier spirit of Vietnam. Adventure was around every corner, and you never backed down.
Wow, you look like the Iron Man.
Day 4 brought us to one of the biggest highlights, the legendary Ma Pi Leng Pass. Clinging to the cliffs high above the No Kay River, this road offers Vietnam's most breathtaking motorbike views. But the thrill didn't stop there. We also had an exhilarating river crossing on a bamboo raft, taking our bikes across the water just like the locals do. From the heart-racing roads to the slow drift across the river, it was a day none of us will ever forget.
One more.
We wrapped up our ride with a scenic journey to Ma Pi Lake, Vietnam's largest natural lake, nestled in the lush heart of Ma Pi National Park. The peaceful surroundings and mirror-like water were the perfect end to our adventure. That night, we shared a beautiful cultural exchange at the local homestay, enjoying a traditional meal, joining in the dance of the Thac people, and toasting to new friendships. It was more than a stop. It was a connection to the soul of Vietnam. Mr. Glenn and your incredible crew, thank you for bringing such great energy, humor, and heart to every kilometer of this journey. Your spirit of adventure and love for the open road made this tour truly unforgettable. We hope these moments stay with you forever, and we look forward to welcoming you back for even more wild rides across Indochina. Until then, keep the throttle open and the memories alive. Motorcycle sunrise over mountains.
Okay. Yo. 1, 2, 3. This is a video from your company.
Welcome to the video.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.